are two of the weirdest fidget toys I've seen. Let's check them out. And you are? Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and plug it in. Oh, okay. What does that do? And then we have a key. Let's put the key in here. Let's turn you around. Yes. Okay. I don't think there's any volume. I don't think so. I think this is just silent. Yeah, you have the buttons. And yeah, that's it. Now we have the jellyfish looking type of fidget toy. Let's pull that thing out. What does this do? Oh, okay. We have textures on the side, two different textures. We have lines over here. Nice. Oh, that's good. That's real good. Don't forget to subscribe for more fidget toys. Reminder, my shorts are product reviews. They are not kids content.